stop right there. If you haven't been to Dollar Tree in the last 48 hours, you are officially missing out on the most shocking haul of 2026. I'm talking about high-end skincare dupes, luxury-style home decor, and brand-name treats that usually cost 5 times the price. But today they're all sitting on the shelves for as little as $1.25. I've done the digging so you don't have to. And some of these finds are so good, they actually look like they came from a high-end boutique. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, everyone. You know I'm obsessed with finding the absolute best value for your money, and today's new arrivals list is a total game changer. Before we reveal these 15 incredible items, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. These items sell out fast, and I want to make sure you're always the first to know when the trucks drop the good stuff. Now let's jump right into arrival number 1, because you are not going to believe the quality on this. Number 1 on our list is the absolute viral sensation of 2026, the Bioglu Dubako Dubai-style milk chocolate bar. If you've been on social media at all lately, you know that Dubai chocolate is the trend that's taking over the world, with some specialty bars selling for $20 or $30 online. But Dollar Tree just dropped their own version for only $1.25. The benefit of this find is all in the ingredients. This isn't just a regular chocolate bar. It's an imported style treat from Turkey that's loaded with that signature crunchy katatafi, which is basically a shredded fullo dough, and a rich nutty pistachio filling. It even has hints of cardamom and dates to give it that authentic Middle Eastern flavor profile. It's incredibly thick and decadent, making it the ultimate little luxury for your afternoon coffee break, without breaking your budget. These are flying off the shelves as soon as the stockers put them out. So if you see that gold and green wrapper, grab 10 of them. Number 2 is a total fan favorite that only comes around once a year. The Reese's Peanut Butter Hearts. Now I know what you're thinking. I can get Reese's anywhere, but Dollar Tree just stocked these convenient 4-packs for $1.25, which is a fantastic price for the grab-and-go size. The benefit of the heart shape specifically is something every Reese's superfan swears by: the ratio. Because there are no rigid thick chocolate edges like you find on the standard cups, the heart shape allows for a much higher ratio of that smooth salty peanut butter filling to the milk chocolate coating. It's softer, it's creamier, and it honestly tastes fresher, because these are part of the brand new 2026 Valentine's shipment. These are perfect for tucking into lunchboxes, office candy jars, or just keeping in your glove box for an emergency sugar hit. At about 31 cents per heart, you really can't beat this deal, compared to the checkout lane prices at the grocery store. Number 3 is the Martha White Apple Cider Muffin Mix, and let me tell you, this is the ultimate New Year reset breakfast. While we usually see these seasonal mixes disappear after the holidays, Dollar Tree just restocked a fresh 2026 batch for $1.25. If you were to buy this same brand at a standard grocery store, you're looking at nearly double the price. The benefit of this mix is the sheer convenience, and that homemade feeling without the mess. All you have to do is add half a cup of milk, stir it up and bake. In about 15 minutes, your entire kitchen smells like a high-end bakery. It's a good source of calcium and vitamins. But the real star is the flavor. It's light, fluffy, and has those tiny apple cinnamon bits that give you a burst of warmth in every bite. It's the perfect quick breakfast for a chilly January morning, especially if you're trying to save money by skipping the coffee shop muffins. Plus, these pouches are small and shelf-stable, so they're great for stocking up your pantry for those emergency baking days, when you want something sweet but don't want to leave the house. Now we are moving into the beauty and glow-up finds, and this next section is where things get really shocking. Number 4 is the Dermasil Multivitamin Eye Roller. This is the item that has skincare enthusiasts sprinting to the aisles, because it is a dead ringer for high-end serums, like the Drunk Elephant C Firma. But instead of paying nearly $80, you're paying $1.25. The benefit here is all about that wake-up effect. It's infused with vitamin C, caffeine, and Matrixyl 3000, 3 powerhouse ingredients that work together to brighten dark circles and firm up the skin. But the real game changer is the built-in cooling metal roller ball. When you glide this under your eyes in the morning, The cold metal immediately helps with lymphatic drainage, depuffing those tired morning eyes in seconds. It's basically a shot of espresso for your face. Pro tip: store this in your fridge overnight, and it feels like a professional spa treatment when you apply it. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and layers perfectly under makeup without pilling. Number 5 is the one you've probably seen all over your For You page lately. The Extra Care Hydro Plus Water Gel. This is the ultimate shocking find because it's a direct dupe for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which usually retails for anywhere from $15 to $25. To find a version that actually works for just $1.25 is honestly a miracle for your skincare budget. The benefit of this water gel is that it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, which is basically a magnet for moisture. Unlike heavy greasy creams that sit on top of your skin, this has a lightweight breathable consistency that sinks in instantly. It's perfect for that oily T-zone, or for anyone who hates the feeling of sticky product on their face. It gives your skin that plump glass skin look while keeping you hydrated all day long. Some users even say the scent is identical to the high-end version, giving you that luxury experience every time you moisturize. If you've been wanting to try a water-based gel, but didn't want to drop $20 at the drugstore, this is your sign to stock up. Number 6 is the Global Beauty Care Glowing Vitamin C Facial Serum. And honestly, the packaging alone is enough to make you do a double take. It comes in a sleek frosted glass-style bottle that looks like it belongs on a top shelf at Sephora or Ulta, not tucked away in a discount aisle. The benefit of this serum is its multi-action formula. It's packed with vitamin C to brighten dull skin, but it also contains niacinamide and vitamin E. This combination is a powerhouse for evening out your skin tone and fading those stubborn dark spots or hyperpigmentation. What's really shocking is that it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, or synthetic fragrances, making it surprisingly gentle for sensitive skin. It has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs almost instantly, leaving your face with a healthy lit from within glow. If you've been looking for a budget-friendly way to recharge your skin's radiance after a long winter, this is easily the best 5-quarter investment you can make. Number 7 is the Be Pure Sparkling Scented Body Wash, and this is the perfect way to add a little bit of extra to your morning routine. These come in an 8-ounce bottle for just $1.25, and they are officially the It Girl product of the bath aisle right now. The benefit of this body wash is that it's actually a shimmer gel formula. When you pour it out, you'll see these beautiful fine sparkling particles that give the gel a high-end magical look. It comes in 3 delicious scents: tangerine, vanilla, and berry. The tangerine is incredibly energizing for early mornings, while the vanilla has that warm, comforting cupcake aroma that smells much more expensive than it is. It creates a great lather, especially if you use it with a loofah, and it leaves your skin feeling clean without that tight, dry sensation. But the best part, it leaves a very subtle, sophisticated glow on your skin post-shower, perfect for those days when you want to feel a little more radiant. Just remember to shake the bottle well before you use it, to make sure those sparkles are evenly distributed. Moving into our home decor finds, number 8 is a total jaw-dropper, the beaded silver edge tray. When I saw this sitting on the shelf for just $1.25, I actually gasped because it looks identical to the beaded trays you see at Pottery Barn or West Elm for $30 or more. The benefit of this piece is its incredible versatility and high-end aesthetic. It has a beautiful weighted feel and a sophisticated beaded texture around the rim that catches the light perfectly. You can use this in so many ways to elevate your space. Place it on your entryway console to hold your keys and sunglasses, use it on your vanity to organize your perfumes, or even set it on your coffee table with a small candle on top. Because it's made of a durable metallic finished material, it's easy to wipe clean and won't tarnish like cheap plastic. It's the easiest way to add a designer touch to your home for less than the price of a cup of coffee. Number 9 takes us into the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. And this is a serious heavy hitter. The glass and metal trinket box. This is priced at $5, but don't let that fool you. If you saw this at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, you'd easily expect to pay $15 or $20. The benefit of this find is the high-quality construction. We're talking about actual thick glass panels encased in a sturdy gold-toned metal frame, with a mirrored bottom. It has a beautiful hinged lid, and a delicate chain that holds it open, giving it that vintage heirloom feel. This is the perfect chic solution for organizing your jewelry, storing your favorite crystals, or even holding aesthetic matchbooks on your coffee table. The mirrored base reflects light beautifully, which makes whatever you put inside look 10 times more expensive. It's a substantial weighted piece that adds an immediate touch of quiet luxury to your bedroom or bathroom vanity, without the luxury price tag. Number 10 is for all the snack lovers out there. The Novelty scented snack candles. These are officially the most talked about items in the candle aisle right now, because Dollar Tree partnered with massive brands to bring you scents like hot tamales and Hershey's milk chocolate for only $1.25. The benefit here is all about the fun factor and the surprisingly accurate scent profile. Usually budget candles can smell a bit waxy or artificial, but these actually capture that spicy cinnamon kick of the hot tamales and the creamy rich cocoa notes of a Hershey's bar perfectly. They come in these adorable colorful tins that act as instant decor pieces for a desk, a dorm room, or a kitchen counter. Because they have a lid, you can pop them open when you want a burst of fragrance and seal them back up to keep the dust out. They make incredible just because gifts or additions to a gift basket, and they're a great way to satisfy a sweet tooth craving without actually eating the calories. We are officially halfway through our list, and I have to know which of these first 10 finds has you grabbing your keys right now. Are you running for that Dubai chocolate bar, or is the water gel moisturizer calling your name? Pause the video for a second and drop a comment below letting me know which item you're hunting for first. And while you're at it, if you're finding these dupes helpful, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. You do not want to miss number 11, so let's get right back into it. Number 11 is one of those items that makes you double check the price tag. We're looking at the printed plush throw blankets from the Dollar Tree Plus section. These are priced at $6, but don't let that fool you. They are a massive 50 by 60 inches. If you were to walk into West Elm or Target right now, you would easily pay $30 to $60 for a decorative throw with this kind of weight and feel. The benefit of these blankets is that they perfectly combine function with high-end form. They are crafted from an ultra-soft polyester that feels like a warm hug, making them the ultimate companion for those chilly January movie nights. But because they come in these gorgeous on-trend prints, everything from sophisticated plaid to chic neutrals, they also double as a designer decor piece. You can drape one over the back of a tired sofa or an armchair to instantly refresh your living room's look. They're machine washable, they don't shed, and they add that cozy cabin vibe to your home for a fraction of what the big box stores are charging. Honestly, at $6, it's worth grabbing a couple extra to keep in the guest room, or even your car for emergencies. Number 12 is perfect for anyone currently in their New Year New Me era. The Jot 10-inch cork bulletin boards. These are back in stock for 2026 with a much more durable design than the ones we saw last year. While you might pay $5 to $10 for a basic organizational board at an office supply store, these are sitting right there in the stationery aisle for just $1.25. The benefit of these boards is that they are the perfect personal-sized organization solution. At 10 inches they aren't so big that they clutter up your wall, but they're just the right size for a desk space, a dorm room, or the inside of a kitchen cabinet. They have a natural wood-style frame that looks clean and modern, and the cork surface is actually self-healing, so you don't get those ugly permanent holes after moving your pins around. They're fantastic for creating a mini vision board for your 2026 goals, pinning up important receipts, or even displaying your favorite Polaroid photos. Because they're so lightweight, you can easily hang them with just a couple of command strips, making them a renter-friendly way to get your life together this month. Next up, we're hitting the cleaning aisle for a laundry brand that's making a massive comeback. Number 13 is a major win for your utility closet. Oxidol laundry detergent with fabric softener. Now Oxidol is a brand with over 100 years of history, but it's making a huge comeback at Dollar Tree this month for just $1.50. If you were to go to a big box store and buy a name brand detergent plus a separate bottle of softener, you'd easily be spending $12 to $15. The benefit of this 2-in-1 formula is absolute convenience, especially during these cold winter months. We're all wearing heavy layers right now. Think oversized hoodies, thick sweatpants, and wool blend socks. This detergent is specifically known for its oxygen-powered cleaning, which means it's fantastic at lifting stubborn winter stains and odors out of those heavy fabrics. But since the softener is built right in, it coats the fibers of your clothes to prevent that annoying static cling that usually happens when the air gets dry. It leaves your laundry feeling incredibly plush and smelling rain fresh, without you having to remember a second step in the laundry room. It's a space saver, a time saver, and a total budget saver all in one bottle. Number 14 is for everyone who is already dreaming of warmer days. The Floral Garden Faux Onion Grass with Butterflies. These are just hitting the shelves as part of the early 2026 Spring Garden Drop, and at $1.25 they are a complete steal. If you've looked at the artificial greenery sections in hobby stores lately, you know that even a simple sprig of decorative grass can cost $5 to $8. The benefit of these particular stems is the instant life they bring to a room. They stand about 20 inches tall, giving you that much-needed height for floor vases or large countertop arrangements. The onion grass texture is incredibly realistic. It has that wispy organic look that softens the sharp lines of a room. But the real star here is the delicate colorful butterflies perched right on the blades. They add a whimsical, enchanted garden feel that is perfect for brightening up a dark corner or refreshing your mantle as we transition out of the holiday season. They're durable, they don't require a green thumb, and they're the easiest way to spring forward your home decor without spending a fortune. Last but certainly not least, number 15 is a total lifesaver for all my fellow pet parents. The Greenbrier Kennel Club heavy-duty training pads. Now if you've ever stood in the aisle of a big-name pet store, you know that a small pack of training pads can easily run you $10 or $15. But Dollar Tree just stocked these fresh for 2026 at only $1.50 per pack, and the quality is honestly shocking. The benefit of these pads is all in the multi-layer technology. Even though they're budget-friendly, they feature a super absorbent gel core that locks in moisture in seconds, preventing those dreaded wet paw prints all over your hardwood floors. They also have a leak-proof plastic backing, so you don't have to worry about anything seeping through to your carpets. Whether you have a new holiday puppy you're housebreaking, an older dog who can't quite make it through the night, or you just need a clean surface for a messy pet project, these are the gold standard of value. They even have a built-in attractant scent to help your pup know exactly where to go. At this price, it's the ultimate peace of mind purchase that keeps your home clean and your wallet full. And there you have it. 15 shocking new arrivals that are making Dollar Tree the place to be this month. I'm still blown away that we can find everything from luxury chocolate to high-end skincare dupes all in one trip. If you found a new favorite today, do me a huge favor and share this video with a friend who loves a good bargain. I'll be back next week with another deep dive haul to help you shop smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.